24/7, the special session of the BRBL subject in the English medium language. So I hope so all you people have just filled the registration form of the CAIIB. Your exam is the student thing, that thing. But please class, just trust me. You can easily clear your CAIIB exam with the 5 subject at a time. The only thing is you have to focus whatever we are teaching you, just focus on that particular classes. Our a crash course is going to be start from 11th of October. So if you enroll in the crash course also now, you can easily score a very good marks in all the 5 paper, because in this crash course we will cover all the subject. We will also we will also do the this one in this one, the doubt session will be there, the PDF will be there, live session, recorded session, ebook, etc. So that's why this crash course is very important if you want really to crack this exam. Okay, now let's do the questions and answers. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, let's start the question of the case studies question. The number one question on the screen is that S.L. Fernandez versus V.M. Fernandez. The plaintiff was the owner of liquor sale and the bar with a license. So this is a case name. Plaintiff was the owner of liquor sale. Now what is plaintiff? Plaintiff is a legal term. See, in civil cases that is also known as the private cases, the two parties are there, because the person who filed the case, the name is in the first place. The person who filed the case, in the legal term, it is called plaintiff, and to whom we are filing the case, it is called defendant. Plaintiff and defendant. Is that okay? So this is the case name S.L. Fernandez versus V.M. Fernandez. The plaintiff was the owner of liquor sale and he have a license. License means that is the legal way he is just selling the liquor. He just contracted with the defendant, that is opposite party, where he entrusted his business. Entrusted means give his business to him, and received a yearly payment and eventually transferred the full control later. It means now the defendant is just managing the business of plaintiff. But the defendant did not have any license. The defendant did not have any license. Now the plaintiff brought an action against defendant for not paying the yearly payment. In this particular fact, no written contract is there, and as we know that if the contract is in written form, in oral form, which one will be supersede? So now tell me, which of the following is the appropriate decision that shall be taken by the court? First, plaintiff cannot recover the amount as the business was without license and prohibited by law. Plaintiff cannot recover the amount as there was no written agreement between them for the yearly payment. The plaintiff can recover the amount as he was authorized owner of the store as well as the license of liquor. D. The plaintiff can recover the amount as he transferred his business lawfully and initially received the payment too. So which of the following is the right answer for this question, class? Tell me. A very good question. This is called case studies question. You have to understand the fact, apply the concept that we have read in the paid class, and then just give me the answer. Yes, class, I'm just giving you 2-minute time to think, apply the concept, and then give me the answer. Yes, class. Yes, class, tell me what is the right answer for this question. Plaintiff cannot recover the amount. Plaintiff cannot recover the amount. Plaintiff can recover the amount. So first of all, C and D is absolutely wrong one. C and D is absolutely wrong one. A, the plaintiff cannot recover the amount as the business was without license and prohibited by law. Plaintiff cannot recover the amount as there was no written agreement between this. So class, according to this question, A will be the right answer for this question. Is that okay? A is the right answer for this question. Is that okay? Cool. Next. This is also a case study question, okay? Let me show you the question. Very important question. Solomon, that's the name of a person, an individual, was a boot and shoe manufacturer, okay? He just make a boot and shoe manufacturer. He incorporated a company named Solomon and Solomon Limited. So now the company come into existence. The company name is Solomon was and Company Limited, and the company took over and carried on the personal business. The 7 subscribers to the memorandum of association were the Solomon himself, his wife, 4 sons and the daughter. It means Solomon plus wife plus son plus daughter. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 members whose name is written in the memorandum of association. So you know now what is memorandum of association? That is an important charter of the any company. Okay, is that okay? Now, the company board of director was composed of Solomon as a managing director and his 4 sons. Okay, so the board of director is class basically. All these are the part of the syllabus. Memorandum of association, board of directors. Okay, that is a part of the syllabus. So Solomon plus his 4 sons were in the board of director. Okay, through this board, the personal business of Solomon was transferred to the company for £40,000. It means the business was now transferred to the company for £40,000. In the payment, Solomon was allotted 20,050 shares of £1. Okay, each, and debenture worth £10,000. These debentures certified that the company owned Solomon £10,000 and created a charge on the company asset. 1 share was given to each remaining member of the family. Within a year, the company went into liquidation, and the state of affair was broadly like this: assets £6,000, liability Solomon debenture 10,000, and ordinary unsecured creditor £7,000. Thus, after paying off the debenture holder, nothing would left for the unsecured creditor. Now class, the unsecured creditor filed a case against company and contended that though incorporated under the English Company Act, the company never had independent existence at all. So now tell me the concept of company and just apply this concept and just tell me the right answer. Decide the correct proposition regarding the existence of company as an independent entity. First, the unsecured creditor must pay it first since company has no separate existence on its own. The unsecured creditor must not pay it first since company is a separate legal entity. The unsecured creditor must pay it first since company is merely a concept. It is just a body represented by its member. And both A and C. Tell me class, the right answer. Yes class, tell me the right answer for this one. Yes class, the right answer will be B is the right answer. The unsecured creditor must not be paid first since company is a separate legal entity, so it is not the fault of member because company have a separate legal existence and the member have a separate legal existence. That's fine. Okay, that's cool. Next. Now class, the last act, that is LLP. After that we will just finish the module D. Okay, so A, B, C and D module finish. From Monday onwards we will do the questions. Now see class. LLP, what is LLP? LLP is basically the combination features of partnership plus company act is equal to LLP. Okay, so LLP is a body corporate with perpetual succession and existence separate from the partners of the firm. Okay, any individual or body corporate may be partner in LLP provided they are competent to contract. It means class, the individual and the body corporate can be the partner of LLP. Every LLP shall have at least two designated partners. So if I say you about the partners, so C class, in Partnership Act, minimum 2, maximum 100 according to Company Act 2013, according to Company Rule 2014, that is 50 member maximum. Okay. In LLP class, minimum is 2, maximum is unlimited, but there should be 2 designated partner. So you have to learn this one. Okay, you have to learn this particular point. Now, every designated partner of LLP shall obtain designated partner identification number, that is called DPIN. Okay, the designated partner is responsible for doing all the act, matter and the things as they are required to be done by the LLP, because designated partner basically just do all the legal compliance. Okay, now a LLP is incorporated once it is registered with registrar and gives a certificate that LLP is incorporated by the name. It means just like the company, the registration is required. Same thing for LLP also, the registration is required. Is that okay? Anybody can sue and LLP can also sue. Is that okay? Suppose in partnership, there should be minimum 2 member, right? If it is reduced to 1, the partnership firm has to be dissolved. But in LLP class, if it is reduced to 1 now, one partner can also do the business. Suppose if one partner is doing business for 6 months, so he is personally liable for that particular act. This is very much important. The mutual rights and duties of partners of LLP and the mutual right duty of the LLP and its partner is governed by LLP agreement. Just like in partnership deed is important. Partnership deed is important, and in this one, LLP agreement is important document. Is that okay? The rules regarding different convergence is provided in chapter 10 of section 55 to 58 of LLP, which has been dealt with in this unit, beside rules pertaining to the maintenance in the accounts, and they have to show it to the persons. Okay, now let's start with a question. What advantage, the advantage of which form of business organization is incorporated in LLP? Private limited company and private limited companies, sole proprietorship firm and the partnership firm and the private limited company, or all business organization. Which of the following is the right answer for this question? Hanji. Tell me class, which of the following is the right answer for this question? So class, it is basically partnership firm and the private limited company. C is the right answer. Is that okay? Next. True, false. LLP has a perpetual succession. LLP has a perpetual succession. That is absolutely true. The minimum number of designated of LLP is 5. Designated partner will be 5. That is false. Under LLP, the term resident in India means the person who have stayed in India for not less than 182 days during immediately the preceding 1 year. Resident in India. Tell me. Good question. Yes, class. That is absolutely true. Okay. Individual shall not become designated partner in any LLP unless he have given the prior consent. Unless he have given the prior consent. D. That is absolutely true. An LLP may appoint a designated partner within 15 days of the vacancy arising for any reason. No, that is absolutely false. Okay, this is absolutely the false statement. Okay, not it is not a 15 days. We have to point it is a 30 days. Okay, that is a 30 days. Is that okay? So this is the right answer. Okay, that's cool. So that's all for today's class. So your English medium crash course is there. This is going to be start from 11th of October, guys. So if you want to enroll it, this is the only time in which you can just get the maximum discount in this batch. Okay, guys. So if you want to enroll it, you have to apply the coupon code. This is click on all courses. Okay, click on all courses, JAIIB, CAIIB. It's a CAIIB November 2024. Done. This is your English medium crash course. Click on buy now. Apply the coupon code, that is Y391. If you click on Y391 now, you can easily get the discount. Okay, it's a Y391. You can easily get the discount of this batch. Just a minute, class. All courses. Okay, this is all courses, JAIIB, CAIIB. This is your English medium batch. Click on buy now. Coupon code, it's a Y391. Apply. You can see 79% discount is there. And for 1% more discount, okay, for 1% more discount, what you have to do, you have to just apply, just download the Adda app from the mobile, and from mobile you can get the